Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are watching Bub Joe, and today we're doing a little hair tutorial. So yeah, today we're gonna be working with some rollers, and this is by special request. So Brianna, this is for you. I thought about doing my hair today, and I was like, let's do it for Brianna. So this is for you, girl. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. And let's see how I go from this to this. Okay, so to get this started, you're gonna need some felt rollers. I got mine from Five Below. They were like $3, and I got 2 packs of them. And don't be like me, get another pack just because you'll need it. Detangle and spray whatever heat protecting you use. This is what I use. I love it. Down. I've been using it for years now. Right, so you're gonna hit both sides of your head, and you're gonna just brush whatever heat protectant you use through. And then I'm going to show you first how to use it with a curling iron. This is a 1-inch barrel from Conair, and as you can see, what I'm doing again is just detangling, and then you're going to put it with the clamp facing away from you. And that is very important when you're doing curls that you want to go away from your face. So the clamp will always be away from you, and you're just gonna slide and twist, and you're gonna push that lever down until you have all your hair in there nice and neat, and then you're just gonna hold it for a few seconds until it's nice and hot, and then you're gonna let that curl drop. So waiting for it, and now we're letting the curl drop, and you see how pretty that looks. OMG. So what you're gonna do is gonna take that roller, and what I like to do is I like to do some up and then do some down but that doesn't make any sense, so you'll see what I'm talking about in just a few seconds. So this first one, I'm gonna do it with the curls going towards my face. So I'm gonna start rolling that towards my face, and I'm gonna put a pin in it. Boom. And then for this one, I'm going to show you how to do it with a curling iron, because you don't need what I have just to get the look that I got, right? So what I do first is I straighten that whole piece just once over or whatever, just so it slides through the curling iron a little easier. And don't be like me, be better than me, and loosen up that grip on the flat iron. And I basically do the same thing that I would do with the curling iron. I just drag that through. Yeah, it looks a little difficult right now, but I literally just drag that through until it gets like nice and hot. And then once I feel that it's like nice and hot, I will let that curl drop, and you see how pretty it looks. Boom. So remember what I said about the in, out, up, down type of thing with the rollers? This is what I meant. So like you can see, the first time I went flipping the curls, or flipping the roller up, and then this time I'm flipping the roller down towards my face. So I just alternate, and I go back and forth like that through my whole head. So just keep in mind what you did last, so you don't mess up the next one. But basically it is the same thing, and then I just take my iron and I do that whole thing again. Like literally, like this is all it takes, and it literally takes me maybe like 20 minutes to do this style. So it's very, very, I don't know, time friendly, I would say. And as you can see, this one is going up. Remember, the last one went down, and then we're gonna put a pin in it. Boom. So same thing with this, and I'm gonna take that flat iron again just for, you know, demonstration purposes only. Like you can see, I did that once over with the flat iron, and then I'm just taking it and really just dragging it through. I still didn't learn from my mistake the first time of just not. Do you see how bad I'm gripping this flat iron? So be better than me, right? And then you're just gonna take that flat iron and glide it through your hair, hold it for a few seconds, and then let it go. Like, let it go. See, we're letting it go. And you see how cute that curl looks? And then just like that, we're gonna go under and we're gonna roll that roller towards our face and put a pin in it. And here is my special trick. So whenever I do my leave out, I go ahead and I flat iron my leave out first. Of course, just one pass will do it, really honestly. And then I take my slick stick or my wax stick or whatever you guys want to call it, and I put it on the ends just to get like a seamless blend, and it works every single time. And then I just rub that through, and then I put my flat iron in it, not my flat iron, my curling iron in it, and I curl it on up, and you know what they used to say, fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Yep, all that. And I pin it up, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So really, same thing with the curling iron. And then on this side, I did have my clamp, I believe, facing the back, just because the curls are gonna be going that way. So yeah, I have the curling iron with the clamp facing the back. Just so all the curls are going the same way, basically. And then I put it in the same way. So one side over, one side under, one roller under, one roller over, however you want to, take that from me. But that's what I do. And this is what I am left with. And I leave this sitting for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes. And now I'm back, right? So just taking these down one by one, and they are coming out like so cute. And the reason why I do like one side over, one side under is because it gives like a fluffier look. I don't know, it just adds a little bit more texture to the hair, which I really, really love. And it adds like some to the layers. But I don't have like too many layers in this hair, but if I did, you'd probably be able to see it better. But it just adds a little bit more So straight away, that's how it looks. And I just take a comb and comb that out, get the curls nice and situated. And then I'm gonna go in with a brush and really just smooth the curls out. Not so much brush them out, like don't go to town with the brush, you will brush your curls out, but really just to lay that hair down and get it to go the way I want it to go and make it all nice and smooth. That is really the brush's only purpose in all of this, to just sculpt. And this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching.